Are you still verifying assets with printed lists, handwritten notes, and spreadsheets? Do you rely on specialized hardware that needs complex setup, long charging times, and then sits unused most of the year? How much time is wasted on manual data capture before you even get to analyzing the results? And how sure are you that every asset was truly verified, not just checked off on paper? Introducing the future of verification. Dynamic Verify, a cloud-based asset verification system. Teams capture and sync data via mobile, while the dashboard tracks your progress, flags exceptions, and provides real-time insights, all paperless and effortless. So why choose Dynamic Verify? More efficient and time-effective. Integrated data and process with user-friendly interface. Seamless team collaboration and remote monitoring. No specialized hardware requirements. Manual verification might work for 10 assets, but it quickly falls apart at scale. With thousands of assets, paperless, delays, and manual capturing cause major inefficiencies. Dynamic Verify streamlines everything with real-time syncing, so your team can focus on the data that matters, not the admin. State-of-the-art features in a user-friendly interface. These are just a few of the ways that Dynamic Verify can simplify your process. Let's see how it works. Begin by visiting the web portal URL. Once you've entered your credentials and selected your entity, you'll be taken to the dashboard. The Dynamic Verify Management Dashboard provides a single point of access for asset managers to manage the core asset data, manage the teams, manage the verification processes, and manage the data exceptions. From the dashboard, managers can oversee and manage the various data sets linked to the assets. This ranges from assets, asset types, asset categories, and descriptions. It also allows the management of asset locations, ranging from multiple locations, with multiple sites for each location, with multiple buildings per site, each then split into individual floors and rooms, allowing for pinpointing the exact location of assets. The system also allows for the movement of assets between locations, ensuring data stays up to date with what's happening on the ground. The Assets Manager. Within its utility, you'll find 5 key functions to help you manage asset information efficiently. Manage assets, manage categories, manage types, manage descriptions, and manage conditions. The Manage Assets function lets you instantly add new assets, modify existing ones, or remove them as needed. The Manage Categories function allows you to add new categories, manage types, modify existing ones, or delete any of the above. Using the Manage Types function, you can add new types, manage descriptions, modify existing ones, or remove them as needed. The Manage Descriptions function lets you add, modify, and remove descriptions. The Manage Conditions function lets you instantly add new conditions or remove them as needed. Next, you'll find the Locations tab in the left-hand menu, which allows you to organize and manage physical spaces effectively. Within this tab, you have access to 5 key functions: manage locations, manage sites, manage buildings, manage floors, and manage rooms. The Manage Locations function gives you full control over your locations. Quickly add, modify, or delete sites, buildings, floors, and rooms. The third tab opens up the Personnel function. Dynamic Verify gives control over both verification teams and asset custodians. Custodians can sign off verified room listings, confirming asset status and condition, and ensuring details stay accurate and up to date. The final tab opens the Reports utility, which provides detailed insights into asset management. While Dynamic Verify streamlines asset tracking and real-time syncing, its true power lies in the detailed exception and data reports. These reports help asset managers focus on what matters most, overseeing anomalies, identifying issues, and making informed decisions. Within this tab, you can access 6 key reporting features: asset reports, asset physical movement reports, asset uptake reports, written off assets reports, asset condition movement reports, and toolbox quantity movement reports. For on-the-go verification, the Dynamic Verify mobile app provides a seamless way to verify, update, and track information directly from your mobile device. After logging in and selecting your entity, you will be directed to the dashboard. The dashboard serves as the central hub for all app functions, providing quick access to essential tools. The Room tab allows you to manage room settings and contents effortlessly. The Scan function lets you instantly read asset and room barcodes for fast and accurate verification. The Assets tab gives you full control over all assets within the active room. The Toolboxes tab enables seamless management of asset toolboxes within the selected room. With room management, you can easily add new rooms, update details, or switch between rooms as you work. Fast, accurate scanning allows you to quickly verify assets or switch rooms by simply scanning a barcode. The Assets tab lets you view, add, edit, or remove assets in the current room, with verified assets clearly marked for easy tracking. No internet? No problem. Dynamic Verify supports both online and offline modes, so you can scan and verify assets anytime, then sync your data when you're back online. Upgrade your verification process today with Dynamic Verify.